No one starts the day off on the right foot unless they've had enough sleep. Why is sleep important for your child? Sleep is the time for restoration and for the child's body to recharge and retain the information they have learned throughout the day. During sleep, the body's energy is restored, growth and repair occurs, and essential brain developmental hormones are released. How much sleep should child get at different ages? A newborn child should sleep for 12 to 16 hours including naps. A 1 to 2 year old child needs 11 to 14 hours of sleep. A 3 to 5 year old needs 10 to 13 hours of sleep. 16 to 12 years need 9 to 12 hours of sleep. Teenagers between 13 to 18 years need 8 to 10 hours. What happens if your child does not sleep enough? There will be daytime sleepiness, irritability, behavioral problems, learning difficulties, poor academic performance, and increased likelihood for traffic accident in young children. Insufficient sleep leads to poor health like allergic rhinitis, anxiety, depression. Poor sleep in childhood may carry future cardiovascular risk in obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure. What can you do to help your child sleep better? Set up the same routine to allow the child to get into a habit. This could include sleeping at the same time every night, improve the sleep environment like a quiet room with dim lights and a comfortable room temperature, away from TV, computer, digital devices, avoid TV, computer, video games an hour before sleep time, read a bedtime story, give a warm bath, avoid chocolates, caffeinated or sugary drinks at bedtime and replace them with warm milk. I hope this video is informative. We will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Thank you.